Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, September 2nd, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had a couple nice trades. We had a beautiful trade in gold, and we also had a had about a 60 tick trade in gold, and then we also had a nice one in crude here. I'm going to go through everything, and we had a nice one in ES at the end of the morning. So 3 nice trades, 5 entries. We had to add to one of them, and I'm going to let you know what we did today. First trade, we had a power play short, and I told everybody that this might be a little bit too early in gold for the market to turn here. I did say that it was coming down, most likely to the bottom of the circle, and I'll cover this when we're in the trade. But basically, we got short at 1326.6, 1326.8 at 8:36 Central Standard Time, and basically what I told everybody here was if it comes up, we may have to add to the trade. At 8:42, when it came down, we were getting into a crude trade, and I told everybody, if you're going to take the crude trade, just get out of the gold trade. Otherwise, for sure you're going to probably have to add to this. Based on the directions of the market. Some people opted to stay in, and that's fine. If you did, you added to the trade, easily got out of break even, and that was a break-even trade. Market came up, came back down. We got in. We took the same trade again, 1326.8 at 9:12 Central Standard Time. We had snuck the crude trade in. We started with the gold, and then crude, and then the gold again. But let's finish with the gold. Told everybody that the market was going to come down to the top of the circle first. Target area, bottom of the circle, next target area, and told everybody that unless we get a red candle that closes in this rectangular box, it wasn't going any lower. And this was here the whole time on the chart, okay, the whole time. So most of us got out around here, and it was just a beautiful, beautiful trade from down to a 20.6, 20.8 from 26.8, about a 60 tick trade. And in fact, that was our trade of the day, and just a beautiful winner. In crude, we had an understanding trade long, 44.10. Took that one up. That one was good for about 25 to 30 pennies. It obviously went a little bit farther, but I had a target up there of 44.40, so it'd be about 30 ticks on that trade. Never really looked back, and that was another winner, UT winner. And then on the ES, we had a power play short. We got into here. We added, easily got out of break even over here, and then some people lost a tick or so because they just wanted to make sure they were out. And then we got in again, and never had to add to the trade or anything like that. Went down, we got into a risk-free trade, moved our stop down, never would have gotten taken out, and went down to the target here before the room closed. Again, this rectangular box here was here the whole entire time. In fact, when it came down here, I told everybody it might see 3/4, and it did close exactly at 3/4, and that was pretty much the low until, then the market came up and we closed the room. But we basically got on there from 78 down to 74, so about a 4-point trade on that one. And we are going to come back on Tuesday. Monday's a holiday, Labor Day. We're going to come back on Tuesday, September 6th. And I want everybody to have a great Labor Day weekend and weekend in general. Until that, we'll see you guys next week.